Hey guys, this is Nick from Nexus Property Management Worcester. Just coming today to show you this new property that we have for rent right now. This is 30 to 34 Pleasant Street in Fitchburg, Mass, Unit 2F. And this is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit on the second floor. And I just want to start off by showing you what it looks like when you come in through here. So this is the rear entrance up the rear flight of stairs. So it comes up this way, but there is a main entrance as well. Immediately you see the space with the hookups for the washer and dryer machines. There's a light up here and a closet. So closet at the main entrance with the back entrance with the hookups. And here's the newly renovated kitchen. So it's got updated finishes throughout. There's nice vinyl flooring and the stainless steel appliances. No dishwasher, but there's a 4-burner gas stove here. Here's the fridge. Here's the bathroom. So it's got a vanity mirror there and a shower. So this is the full bathroom. And then if you come through here, this is the living room. So I'm just gonna give you a good idea of like what the size is here. There's a closet in this room, and then the rest of the layout's kind of nice. It does a circle, and there's a room separating the other 2 bedrooms. So that's bedroom number 2. It's a smaller one. This is still the living room. And here's a closet. And that's, you'll find a lot of apartments where that's how big the room closets are, but rooms closets actually have a little bit more space this time. So this is room between the living room and the bedroom, and it also goes out to the front common area. And that goes down to the front. Front of the building towards the street would be over here. And this is the large bedroom. To be like the main bedroom. And as you can see, you've got the baseboard heating going throughout. Lots and lots of light coming in here with these 5 open windows. But the owner has blinds installed and they're in nice shape. So this is the room between the 2 bedrooms. It's not technically a bedroom, but it is pretty unique that you have this opportunity for this extra space. There's an outlet in here as well. And here's bedroom number 2. This door locks as well, so you can have it locked between the 2 bedrooms. And that goes back out to the living room like we saw before, but there's a closet. Like I said, big closet over here, big closet over there. And that's bedroom number 2. And yeah, that was 30-34 Pleasant Street, Unit 2F in Fitchburg. And this has been Nick from Nexus Property Management, Worcester.